Good, it's on.
Second attempt.
Second gear.
Yeah.
Okay, let's turn it around. Yeah. Okay, go back. 5.
Yep.
5.
Yep.
Okay, push towards. Yeah. We gotta get the back by here. Oh, now go back. Push backwards. Push back.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah, we're pretty lined up there.
Perfect. Right there, right?
Yeah. Yes. Are we going on now?
No, we're just right there. Make our life easier.
Yeah, we're just gonna crank it all the way on.
You know how to do that. Is that not twisted? Yeah, twisted. Just wait a minute.
Yeah, it's twisted.
You
No,
need-
it's not twisted.
Yeah, one twisted.
No.
Okay.
Do it. I just want.
Just hang on a second. I gotta push it over your way. Get it straight. Are we in the center? We're perfect. Looking good.
Just 1 second. Okay, keep going.
Keep going, yeah. Stop!
What?
Stop, we gotta get the card out.
Okay.
You pull the card out.
Lift it up. Yeah, you probably need to keep lifting it.
What?
Good.
Just pull it out the side.
I don't know.
This side would be better. There you go.
That would
Okay.
help.
Go ahead and crank it. It's on enough that it's not going to fall off. All the way?
Yeah. I'm trying to make sure it's
Good. Boat's on. Perfect.
yeah.
Okay, come back here. Got the safety chain on?
Yeah.
That's
what-
done. We'll see. That didn't take long.
Did not take long. That was pretty quick.
Pretty cool, eh?
Yep. The roll.